Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert any image to a vector with DGB.lol. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in DGB.lol. Alright, so what we want to do here is on the left hand side, make sure you're in tools. This page will open a bunch of awesome tools. It's really fantastic. You're going to come all the way down here. You will see this AI image to vector. And here it gives you a few basic details there. You can also see that's a very simple layout. You come down here and you can find out more about the tool. Ultimately, we want to upload a PNG, JPEG, or a WebP file, and we are going to convert it into a vector. We've got our PNG here, and now you can choose the color richness for conversion. So if you are just using it as an illustration, you can use the 32 colors, but essentially this is something that you need to choose according to your own personal needs. Then the detail level, right? Depending on how you set this, it'll take a little bit longer to process, and then the output file. So this will be, in this case, SVG, and quite simply, we're going to click on submit. And what will happen now is this pop-up will come on, and on the left-hand side, you will see in this toolbar, My Files. Now, once you click on My Files, you'll be able to go and see everything that you have already processed, as well as what's in the queue. So, as you can see, currently, this is in the queue. And what you will now see is once it is out of the queue and it's complete, it'll say download, and you'll be able to download it in a vector format. That's SVG.